Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, recently something I have encountered that I must say here. So this is related to the housing crisis in Canada. We are in housing crisis, no doubt, but something had happened with me that was like I could not even imagine. Of course, I was not at the receiving end, so there was no harm at me at this time. So let me tell you what happened. Like recently, I got my legal basement finished. Now the time was to find out tenant. So I had put the ad on Facebook Marketplace and also on some other website like Kijiji, and I was getting interest, but like I was not getting good number of interest recently. So, and I had shown my property to some. I got like good, like I got like positive response from some, and someone was like going to the next stage too, but it did not work out. Anyway, that's another thing. So what I did, I called an expert who is one of my friends. I told him to review that why I wasn't getting good number of interest. So he checked everything and he told me that the amount of rent I have quoted for the property I have, it's slightly higher than market value, so he told me to reduce it by 100. I heeded his request. I I heeded his advice. That was not a request, and I reduced by 100. Then turned the game within a day and so, not exactly a day, more than a day. So I got 200 plus interest, guys. 200 plus interest. Oh my God! Like, can you imagine that how bad it has gone? 200 plus interest for something like a one bedroom legal basement apartment. Yes, that's real. I was going right now I have finalized one candidate to proceed. So now now I'm gonna go ahead with that. So you can imagine how bad the crisis is. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Let me know what you think about it.